Hi everyone. So that's a Ford Ecosport which has come to Autorounders, and we'll be doing a touchscreen installation. So it's not the regular one. We'll show you once it's installed. So now we are unboxing. So that's a touchscreen of Ecosport. So you can see that's the touchscreen along with the full frame. So once we install it, it'll look like stock installation as if it was given originally by the company. So now let me show you once this is installed in the car. So this is the same Ecosport in which the touchscreen infotainment has been installed. So you can see it's a standard fitting. It's a proper Android tab. So my colleague will explain you what are the features in this tab. Yep.
So let's just start with the home screen. So there's the home screen, so which shows the time, the date and the day. So here there is an inbuilt memory. So here are certain few saved songs from the inbuilt memory. So you can go through it's like it has 16 GB of inbuilt memory. Then let's go back to the home screen. These are the various apps which you have in this system. There's a YouTube which functions just like one which is in your cell phone. It's an app, so there won't be any lag. So we'll just play a YouTube video. I wanna but I'm broken hearted. But I like to party. But I got nobody here on my own. So you can connect to YouTube with a hotspot Wi-Fi network. So you can do it from your cell phone. Along with that, there are a couple of other features. It's just like an Android phone. So there is a Google Maps. You can see over here. So you can type your destination over here. So you can type any destination where you would like to go. So let's just again go back to our home screen. So you can also play your music from your Bluetooth of your cell phone. You can also make calls using the Bluetooth of your cell phone. There's a mic over here, and I'll just play a few songs. So you can also play the music from your cell phone. Along with that, you can also make calls. There's a big keypad.
So guys, you saw this is a complete Android tab with a lot of features in this. See, there are a lot of cars which doesn't have this kind of infotainment system or big touchscreen. So at Autorounders, we work on all such things which are not easily available in the market. So you can actually call us on 7666 930 930 for any such job. Apart from these kind of custom panels of cars, we also have Tesla screen, which are big screen, and it has all the features of AC and everything. So even this has a control for AC and everything inbuilt. So you can get the premium feeling in your car by installing such system. So you can call Autorounders on 7666 930 930. We are from Mumbai. Thank you for watching this video.